The golfer rolled the golf ball into the hole. The silver ball rolled around the roulette wheel. The white ball rolled into the pocket. The bowler rolled the bowling ball at the bowling pins. The baker rolled the dough with a rolling pin. The girl rolled her eyes. The zebra rolled around on the ground. The businessman rolled along the road in his chair. The businessman rolled his chair to his desk. The man rolled out the red carpet. The boy rolled up a giant snowball. The wild horse rolled around in the mud. The woman rolled up the yoga mat. The black tires rolled along the road. The giant stone rolled down the hill. The woman rolled up the green carpet. The carpet fitter rolled out the carpet. The kids rolled down the hill. The teenagers rolled their skateboards down the slope. The man rolled up his sleeve. The businessman rolled downhill on his chair. The paramedic rolled out the gurney from the ambulance. The worker rolled the barrel of toxic waste. The woman rolled up her trousers. The chef rolled up the pancake. The bowling ball rolled down the bowling lane. The girl rolled down the hill in a giant bubble. The hand rolled the dice.